Mohanty, parents of Pratishtha Mohanty, who is studying in class 1B at KB number 1 Isapur. It's my proud privilege to share this feedback regarding online classes conducted for class 1B during this session 2020-21. We all are aware about COVID-19 global pandemic situation. Regular classes at school could not be conducted. But it was unbelievable that online classes for class 1, how it would be possible. But it was true, and it was possible only because of the teachers of class 1B took so much pain, and with the cooperation of parents, school authority, online classes conducted very successfully. Not only classes, school readiness program, a school assembly, co-scholastic activities also conducted online. Online tests were conducted, and it was really successful. I am so much satisfied with these online classes conducted for class 1B during this session. So I express my sincere thanks to teachers, especially class teacher Manisha ma'am of class 1B, headmaster sir, principal sir, for conduction of online classes and continuation of the session to 2020-21. Thank you.
Hello, myself Wasim Sarkar, father of Master Ovirup Sarkar, from class 1B of KB number 1 Ichhapur. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Honorable Principal Sir, Honorable Headmaster Sir, all the teachers including Monisha ma'am, Ankita ma'am, Saswati ma'am, Sandeep sir, and all other support staffs of KB number 1 Ichhapur for the sustained effort they are putting together to teach our children online in this pandemic situation. We know that this transition to online classes has been a challenge for the teachers, but they have handled this situation very professionally and commendably. Setting up of online infrastructure, preparing lessons, making kids learn through fun, at the same time maintaining discipline by keeping them engaged with various activities, all this without being physically present deserves the highest level of appreciation. The PowerPoint presentations are well drafted and every point has been covered to suit the understanding capability of the children. I really appreciate that the main focus of this teaching is given to learn properly. The kids are also enjoying the co-scholastic activities which are taking place along with the main subjects. Another appreciable thing what I want to mention is the exercise part. That is, the kids have to do breathing exercise and eye exercise regularly in the morning session prior to the commencement of the class, which surely helps reducing their stress as well as building a good habit. A special thanks to Monisha ma'am for always being available whenever I need her help regarding any learning or development related issues of my work, and many other problems like ID password related issues and registering issues in Google Meet and Google Classroom, and many more problems. She has always made sure that my queries are properly addressed. I personally feel very satisfied and happy with the way she conducts the online classes. Thank you.
Myself Rupam Sadhu Khan, father of Master Riddhiraj Sadhu Khan, class 1B, roll number 32. First of all, I want to wish so much thanks to the principal and headmaster of KB1 Ichhapur with all other teachers, basically the class teacher Miss Manisha Pandey, for their innovative learning process, sharing with their students in this critical pandemic situation. I hope it will help them for their future improvement at their studies. Now my son, Master Riddhiraj Sadhu Khan, will also want to say something. Say.
Thank you all the teachers for they are giving online lessons to us.
नमस्कार.
Good morning and namaskar. First, I would like to take the opportunity to introduce myself, Mr. Ramashankar Gupta, parents of Risa Gupta of class 1B. I would like to take opportunity to thanks all the teachers, Manisha ma'am, Saraswati ma'am, Ankita ma'am and Sandeep sir, for the effort they putting together to teach our children. Itself, it is a miracle to the student in this pandemic, as if I did not expect that their education won't stop in this pandemic. It is very difficult to teach such small kids online, preparing lessons, making kids learn through fun, all this through distance learning. Teachers are making sure that each children get proper attention and learning is smooth. The content distributing, including music, drawing and art and craft, stay connected child from start till the end. Last but not the least, a big thank to Manisha ma'am for being this consistent support and motivation. Now, before ending my speech, I would like to speak on more topic about school celebrations such as Yoga Day, Republic Day, Netaji birthday, Grandparent Day celebration, which enchants children to co-curriculum activities and make confidence and also boost their moral and make the smart. Thanking all of their who contributed my child in the education in one way platform. Thank you.
Thank you all teacher. I learn and enjoy online classes. Thank you. Namaste.
Good afternoon to respected principal sir, headmaster sir and all the teachers. I am Gokul Chandra Ghosh, father of Mohik Ghosh of class 1B in Kendra Vidyalaya number 1 Ichhapur. I am very much satisfied and thankful with online class. In this pandemic situation, these online classes had maintained the study of each and every student. Thank you.
Respected Principal Sir, Class Teacher Ma'am and all the teachers. I am Gurdi Saw, mother of Adya Saw, Class 1B. First of all, I would like to thanks to all of you for taking the online classes on account of pandemic situation COVID-19. Through these classes, our children and parents too get not worried about their studies and it going continuously. All the teachers are good and they taking their classes with patiently. And children are enjoying their classes. It is like learning by playing. I am satisfied with online classes. Okay, thank you.
Hello friends, I am father of Sri Archisman Chatterjee, class 1B. Due to the pandemic situation, all the classes of the students has been suspended. So in this situation, there is no option other than the online classes to continue the studies of the students. The online classes has helped the students to carry on their studies and keep on their habit of studying every day, which is very important. In absence of the online classes, the students would have forgotten that studies are a very important part of their life and it should be done every day. And thanking Principal Sir and all other teachers, I end this conversation.
मैं पप्पू प्रसाद मारुआ, सुनिधि मारुआ का पिता हूं, जो केंद्र विद्यालय नंबर 1 के क्लास 1B रोल नंबर 44 जिनका है, मैं उनका पिता हूं। मैं सर्वप्रथम आप सभी को सुप्रभात कहता हूं और शुभकामनाएं देता हूं प्रधानाध्यापक क्लास टीचर मनीषा मैम, सरस्वती मैम और अंकिता मैम और भी जो सदस्य जो टीचर हैं उन सभी को, मैं उन सभी को ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि इस कोरोना काल में जिस तरह से आप लोगों ने सेफ डिस्टेंसिंग करते हुए हमारे बच्चों का अध्ययन कराया है वो बहुत ही सराहनीय है, जिसके लिए मैं आप सभी को शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। और मैं चाहता हूं इसी तरह आपको देखकर सभी का मनोबल बढ़ता रहे। बस यही कह के मैं अपने वक्तव्य को ख़त्म करता हूं। नमस्कार।
Namaskar. I am mother of Master Ridhira Shaduka, roll number 32, class 1B. At first, I want to give thanks Principal Sir, Headmaster and all the teacher of KV1 Ichapur. Specially thanks to those teachers who are taking online classes of my child in this pandemic condition. Teachers are very cooperative and dedicated to their student. At last, I also thank Monisha ma'am and Math madam for their innovative views, which are sharing with our child. It helps our children for their mental and physical development. Thanks.
Respected Principal Sir, Headmaster Sir, Class Teacher Ma'am and all teachers. Myself, Deep Lakshmi Roshan, mother of Swapnil Roshan. Due to pandemic of COVID-19, all the classes were taken through online classes. I give thanks to all teachers to takes online classes very patiently, and I am totally satisfied with the online classes. And I also thanks for activities classes like drawing, art and craft and also music classes. In these classes, children are very happy and enjoy the study. Thank you.
Respected principal and teachers, I am father of Aismita Mondols. Now I am giving the feedback of educations. During the pandemic situations, the mode of education plays a significant role among the children. Respected teachers give the homework very carefully and wisely. I think they are giving homework as art and craft, drawing, music, textual work, etc. They learn very easily. I think this homework develop their mind very quickly. So I give the heartiest gratitude to my respected teachers. Thank you.
हाय मैम, गुड मॉर्निंग मैम। मैम, मैं निहाल जैसवारा के पेरेंट्स। मैं ऑनलाइन की जो भी एग्ज़ाम्स हो रही हैं शुरू से अभी तक, ये जो सिस्टम था ऑनलाइन का एग्ज़ाम का, मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा कि मैं बता नहीं सकती हूँ। क्योंकि सच में ये जो बच्चों का, एक तो हम सोच रहे थे कि किस तरह से हम एग्ज़ाम दिलाएंगे, पेपर कैसे देंगे, और बच्चों को कैसे हम क्या तैयार कराएंगे, बच्चे कैसे देंगे, ये हम सोचते थे। पर ये जो आप लोग ने वो जो टिक का जो सिस्टम है, ऑप्शन देकर कि कौन सा सही है कौन सा गलत है, अपना टिक मार्क करना है, इससे मैं बहुत ही सेटिस्फाई हूँ। क्योंकि और मेरे बच्चे को भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है वो एग्ज़ाम देने में, वो खुद से देता भी है, उसे अच्छा भी लगता है और हम भी सजेस्ट कर पाते हैं। मतलब इस कोरोना में ये जो आप लोगों ने जो भी ऑप्शन निकाला है कि एग्ज़ाम देने के ये तरीके, ये मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा है। थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Hello, my name is Sapna Haldar, mother of Bhashwar Haldar, who is in class 1B, Kendra Vidyalaya, number 1, Ichapur. I am very grateful to respected principal sir and all teachers for providing my ward with quality education in this difficult time even though online. Teaching is a new concept for many. Teachers have dedicated their hearts into it and overcome its difficulties for not only my son but many other students. Thank you again from me and my son as well.
नमस्ते मैम, मैं मोहित का मम्मी हूँ। मेरा बेटा 1B में पढ़ता है। सभी टीचरों को मेरा प्रणाम, प्रिंसिपल सर, हेडमास्टर सर, सब टीचरों को। ऑनलाइन क्लास बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है, इससे मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।